today I'm going to do the strawberry ice cream, and I am going to follow exactly the instructions. So to show you, I'm going to go like that. Took it off. And I'm going to go like that. Put it on 0. There we go. Alright, so now it's ready for the heavy cream. So there you see, the app has recognized that the container is on the scale and it's asking me to pour. So here I go. And there it is. Now the next item will be the bananas. Let's show you how. Alright, so now I'm going to add a little bit more so you can see. There you go. That's good enough. There we go. Got it. So I do got this honey right here. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it. The amount that is asking me. Keep going. Alright, so now it's asking me to use a tamper. So go ahead and open that up, get the tamper. Sorry guys. And here we go, put that tamper. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. And add that. As you see, it's ready to be blended. So what I have to do, I just have to start it right here. Alright, there we got it. Put this cup. Alright, so it's going to track what I put on that cup. And I'm going to use this because I don't have something more. Alright. My son is ready for this ice cream, right, David?
Yep. Yep.
All right. Now is. You want me to put whipped cream and some chocolate syrup, David?
Yep. Yes, I do.
All right. 98 calories. It says it right there. Hold on. You're not gonna see it. It says 146 calories. I'm going to tell you the ounces and everything. He wants, I'm going to show you. He wants whipped cream on his. So I'm going to go ahead and whip it. So that's what he wants. And he wants some syrup. And there you got it. Oh, there you got it. Ah, delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this ice cream and see you next time.